Morning, everybody. You here with Gabriel's pressure washing and more. You already know 863-512-1811, located in Polk County, Florida. I'm already on the job site. Today, this is what the job site tools consist of. There's a compactor involved. There's my steel demo saw, TS500i. Got more tools in there. But if you can't guess what the job title is yet, today is pavers. So the paver job we're doing today is over here. We're gonna be adding a little curved triangle to a driveway due to the fact of vehicles driving over it and stuff. So I'm gonna have to make this kind of thick. I'm gonna try to arch the driveway, I believe, from here. I'm gonna arch it just a little bit, come in to an 11-foot mark I'm gonna drop. But yeah, so I'm gonna let y'all watch me get to work from here today, and we'll see how it goes. It's gonna be the before, so let y'all see it. That's what it looks like right now, and I'll make it look different. Let y'all see from different angles. So Gabriel's pressure washing and more services is doing pavers today, guys. So now y'all know. Now y'all gonna get to see and know that I can do pavers, and at least you know I'm doing it right. And y'all are interested, just call me, like I said, 863-512-1811. Steel KM90R with the dual head attachment tiller. Helps with the grade a lot faster. Save me some time of breaking it up with shovel. Alright, so I thought about showing y'all the process so far, what I got done. So I got 4 inches for the paver base, and then 2.5 inches is the thickness of the pavers. So what's that? 4, 5, 6.5. And then I got 1.5 inches that's gonna be for the leveling dirt. So this is my thing cleaned out. It's the process so far. Got it cleaned out. 8 inches all the way. Now it's time for the paver base. Let y'all see it from a distance. Like I said, this is due to, we're doing all this due for the fact for the customer that they like to pull off into the driveway this way and go that way. So this is how they wanted it, so this is how it's gonna be done. Yep. Time to throw paver base, everybody. To compact, I will be using the Power Horse compactor. If you know where I purchased that, Northern Tools. So watch me get the compactor. power horse do some work though. Compact's pretty solid. Just, you know, it obviously don't fit in the tight corners, which most all compactors don't fit in tight corners. No stepping on it, no foot impressions. So it gets good compact. It's pretty solid. Like I said, to some they might think I did overkill, but slab of concrete's 4 inches. Doing pavers, that's why they cost more, because the quality is better. Pavers are always going to be better, honestly. The quality, the amount of work that should go into your pavers at all times, there's a reason behind it. You know what I'm saying? You don't need your pavers off shifting. You got a vehicle like this running it over, or any vehicle point blank. You don't need no dips, soft spots, none of that. Now, when I first started my company, this is where I started with hand temper, and then I upgraded to the compactor. So that means I've done quite a bit of jobs to pay off for some of my paver tools. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and compact these corners, and we'll go from there. All right, so I'm gonna get the grade in the paver base. Show y'all how I do mine. These are stakes, yeah, but when I purchased these, I didn't ever end up using them. And the thickness of them equals about 1.25 inches. Well, actually, like 1 3/8 when you double them. So that's about almost close to my 1.5 inch I'm going shooting for the dirt. So I'm about to get to grading. This is once I get my grade with this on the base, all I'm gonna have to do is take these off, and this level is the thickness of the pavers. So right now I'm gonna get the grade on the base with these on it, and then once I complete the grade on the base, I'm gonna All right, everybody, I got it all graded. What will come next would be the leveling sand. It's later in the day, so when y'all see it, it's gonna be one whole video. But I'm gonna go ahead and leave it off from here for today. So yeah, I graded it like I told y'all. I already explained about the stakes and everything. The grade came out great. I'm pretty sure you can tell. I left the level right here so y'all can see my water runoff. This is telling you that it's high on this side, which is a good thing because I want my water to fall that way, which will lead it towards the road. So yeah, I know what I'm doing, and it came out great. So I'm gonna go ahead and compact this one more time for today. Compacting the second time's overkill, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I'm gonna compact it, regrade it one more time. Y'all won't be able to see that part, but I'm gonna get to that, and then the next part y'all will see will be me leveling it with the sand, then dropping the pavers. All right, everybody. So what's next is the leveling sand. Alrighty, guys. So my level, like I told before, it is the thickness of my pavers. So it's 2.5 inches. This is the thickness of it. So I'm gonna get the grade in the sand, and then once I level the sand, I will compact the sand one time because I already compacted the paver base twice. So I'm gonna compact the sand one time, regrade it after that, and then I'll lay the pavers, and then we'll go from there.
Would you do a pool so big to do it? I may do this pool. If someone has a project they want to do building a pool. Yeah. Nice getting done it. Nice getting fucking up here doing it. Now that you finally know how to change these pumps up and shit, all I would have to do is frame the pool. And once I frame the pool, what else? Okay, so I frame the pool, I run the piping like a plumber. You run the piping like a plumber. Irrigation? You get what I'm trying to say? Yeah. Okay, so you run that. After you do that, you gotta know which pipes are your intake to suck the water in, and which is gonna be your output. You still understand what I'm saying, right? Yeah. So once you do that, yeah. Like the other thing
Okay, so this is what it's looking like when it's sanded after the paver base. And I left my level there so y'all can get a hint whenever I show y'all right now. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna compact over it right now real quick, and then I'm gonna regrade it one more time like this, and then I'm gonna drop the pavers. Why so much compacting and do it so many times? Because if I run over with this vehicle, any vehicle period, it'll sink if it wasn't properly compacted. So that's why I've done it so many times. Why I do it so many times, to give great product, long-lasting product, not something that, hey, you ran it over and it got dents the first time you ran over it. So Gabriel's Pressure Washing More, like I said, located in Polk County, Florida, and I'm gonna let y'all see from here. Well, I'll let y'all see when I get to laying the pavers. So I'm not gonna record the next part of this. So like I said, let me show you real quick what the bubble's looking like. Remember, I got to compact and regrade it one more time. That bubble, let's see. Okay, it's favoring the right side. So that means my water's falling that way, everybody. Off into the road. So, alrighty. Let y'all see the process. All right, all right, everybody. I'm already done with the sand part of the pavers, and now it's time to lay the pavers. All right, everybody. Sorry I didn't let y'all see, the process of me laying the pavers. I'm just want to let y'all see the finished product. I'm pretty much done. Yes, I know if y'all are paying attention to detail, we did not add a trim border, which customers request, which is fine. So from this angle, that's what we got. We made it work. This is from a leftover job we done previously 6 months ago. These are leftover pavers. So the customer found a purpose for them and wanted a job done. So I was happy to catch this one on video, guys, and let y'all see this. At least see the finished product. Y'all saw the before. Y'all saw the work he was taking to do the after. And I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the previous job we did 6 months ago. So that was from this job, and y'all got to see it. And now this was, like I said, about 6 months ago, everybody. So this is a little entry pad for the pool area. Yeah. And yeah, so let y'all see it. We'll walk through. It comes out to the back to a bigger pad. This is where they're supposed to be lounging at and stuff, but it's my customers' choice on how they take care of their stuff, which is nothing wrong with that. A lot of my customers, when I go see them after a month or two after the jobs have been performed, they usually have a little bit of dirtiness, which is all right. That's what it's known. So yeah, Gabriel's Pressure Washing and More services. As you see, I do pavers. This is the job you didn't watch me do, but I thought I'd let y'all know from just that little job, the level, it gets to. But yeah, this is my work for my company, Gabriel Pressure Washing and More, done by me. As y'all can see, it's a pretty decent sized pad. It's bigger than the pool, and has the little entry pad. So yeah, I also do fencing. Yeah, I do fencing. Did the fencing here. This is like a personal gate. I'll show y'all the other side, but I'll show y'all on the dam doing more fencing or something. But yeah, this was more of the topic of the day, pavers, and this is the pavers I've done. So, located in Polk County, Florida, 863-512-1811. Thank you for your time today. Like I said, that's what y'all saw the work for this paver job, and I appreciate y'all. Like, share, subscribe. Put me out there. Located in Polk County. I work on Monday through Friday, even Saturdays and Sundays sometimes, depending on the job. So, thank y'all.